This is an interesting living challenge for white. It seems like white needs to address this cutting point. But once white plays here or here, black can come in this way and kill white very easily. There's just no way white can have enough ice space. So that's why white actually needs to give up these two stones and play somewhere else instead. And the correct answer is actually right here. If black captures, then this is pretty easy for white to make a living shape this way. If black comes in, now white can connect. And this way, black will be trapped. And this will be a living shape for white. Not the bulky 5, right? Either way, as long as white plays the right moves to prevent black from getting into a bulky 5 shape, white will be alive. So that is why number 1 here will work. Feel free to try some of the other moves. Doesn't work as well because it's not a setup for a living shape. So once again, white will be killed. Similarly, this won't work because black still has this monkey jump at number 2. So that's why this 2-1 point right here is the only correct move. Hope you enjoyed this challenge, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.